Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are always welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video, and also like it. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious banana bread. All of the ingredients will be available in the description box below. I'm going to start off with my dry ingredients. So to a mixing bowl, I'm going to sift 1 3/4 of a cup of self-rising flour. So you just want to add it there. And then I'm going to add my spices. I'm using cinnamon and nutmeg. These spices are optional, but I'm telling you guys, they take the banana bread to the next level. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of nutmeg. We are also going to add half a teaspoon of salt, and then we just want to sift everything together very well. After sifting it, we are going to place it aside so that we can prepare our wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, in a mixing bowl, we are going to crack in 2 eggs. And then we are going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. You can always increase the amount of sugar. To that, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. And then you're just going to get your whisk and mix everything together very well. To this, we are going to add 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. You can also use softened butter, and then you just want to mix everything together until it is well combined. After mixing the wet ingredients together very well, we are going to add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. So make sure you mix your dry ingredients together very well before adding them to the wet ingredients. So we're just going to add them to the wet ingredients, and then we are going to continue mixing. You can also use an electric mixer for this. And just mix everything together until it is combined. Once our wet and dry ingredients are just combined, we are going to place our mixing bowl aside and prepare our bananas. I'm using 3 overripe bananas, so make sure you use overripe bananas. You can also use 4. So what we're going to do, we're just going to place them into a mixing bowl, and then we're going to get a fork and just mash them together. You can mash your banana to the consistency you would like. For me, I'm going to leave some chunks in there. And then we are going to add our bananas to the mixture, and we are going to mix it together very well until everything is well combined. And now I'm just going to grease my loaf pan. You can also use a cake pan for this. So basically, I've placed some cooking oil into the loaf pan, and then what I did is I take a paper towel and then just spread the cooking oil around the pan, and just make sure every single corner of the pan is coated with some cooking oil. And then you're going to get a bit of flour. You can either use cake flour or self-rising flour, and then you just want to sprinkle it into the pan and move it around the pan, and also make sure the flour is coating every single part of the pan. If you see that there's a part where the flour didn't stick to the pan, that means there's no oil, so you need to add some oil. And now I'm just going to pour the butter into the loaf pan. We are going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around about 40 minutes to an hour. So you can check it at 40 minutes to see if it's cooked, and if it's not cooked you can let it cook for some more minutes. It has been an hour and my banana bread is baked now. So I'm just going to let it sit and let it cool down for some minutes so that I can remove it from the pan. And there we have it, guys. We just made our banana bread. You can always cut it up with some bread knife into slices. So there we have the slices, and I'm telling you guys, this banana bread is so soft and it is very delicious. It doesn't have a lot of sugar, so you can always taste and see if you need to increase the amount of sugar. And you can enjoy it with some tea, some coffee, or just as a snack. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me. And if you are new here and you are not subscribed yet, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to cook, eat, and enjoy your food. Bye! See you in the next video.